So this car's been in our family since 1974. My father was a Chevy dealer. He took it as a trade-in. It's a 72 Chevelle SS. It's a 4-speed manual transmission, which makes it extra fun. And we had it in our family forever. It's something I grew up driving and having amazing experiences in. I have so many fun memories in this car. And for a while there, because when I moved out to Colorado, I didn't have anywhere to put it. It sat in a barn in my family's place back east, and it soaked up all the moisture of the state, got totally rusted out, and it looked okay, but oh my god, it was in rough shape. By the time I got it out here in 2015, it took 5 years to restore this car, and 2 different guys to help. The first guy was Joe, the last guy, Steve, runs with Hair Trigger Customs, did just an amazing job bringing this car back to life, and the hours that he spent and the love that he spent trying to get this thing right, and now it drives even better than it drove in the 80s. It is just so fun to drive. So one of the things that gets me so excited about this car is the years I have to look forward to driving it, working on it, playing with it with my boys. I can't wait for them to learn how to drive this car. I know for a lot of people that is like, are you out of your freaking mind letting teenage boys drive this thing? And yeah, probably am a little bit, but the amount of fun that we'll have together and for the years ahead, with this car is just priceless. And I'm so glad it stayed in our family for as long as it has, and I look forward to it being a legacy car going into the future.